Listen, what do you know about BOTOX?
Do you want the complete intelligent answer or the idiot's guide?
Franklin, you know me by now. I'm a cultured, intellectual individual.
The idiot's guide it is.
All right, lay it on me.
Well, essentially, BOTOX is a form of botulinum toxin type A. It's a poison, thus the PO. When this venom is injected into a muscle, it produces temporary local paralysis. When used on muscles of the face, it can reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Hence its popularity among the vainest members of our society: politicians, actors, models, and homosexuals.
So, Franklin, it can get rid of wrinkles and make you look younger, right?
Yes, but there are side effects: nausea, diarrhea, intestinal cramping, anal leakage, and potential heart stoppage.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
It can make you look younger.